Ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts and Honda lovers, welcome to a momentous occasion in the automotive world. For Wheels Empire, today, we are thrilled to take a closer look at the highly anticipated 2020 for Honda Civic, a car that has been a symbol of reliability and innovation for decades. The new Civic promises to elevate the driving experience to new heights. Let's dive right in. It's fuel-efficient, stylish, and fun to drive, all traits that make the 2020 for Honda Civic a winner in our book, earning yet another 10 Best Cars and Editor's Choice Award winner this year. The Civic is the quintessential small car, and likely the one most people envision when they think of frugal, practical daily transport, even more so than rivals such as the Hyundai Elantra and the Mazda 3. Entry-level models come with a 1.58 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder, but a more powerful 1.80 HP turbocharged 1.5-liter engine is also available. Touchscreen infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard across the lineup, and Honda equips every Civic with a generous list of driver assistance features too. It might not have the punch of the performance-oriented Civic C and Civic Type R, but the standard Civic still gives drivers a taste of the good stuff, with crisp handling and refined road manners. What's new for 2024? While the Civic carries into 2024 without any significant changes, we had originally speculated that a hybrid powertrain would be added to the lineup this year. Honda says the Civic Hybrid will now debut as a 2025 model, offered as both a sedan and as a hatchback, powered by a version of the hybrid powertrain that's found in the Accord Hybrid. That would mean a four-cylinder engine paired with two electric motors for somewhere between 180 and 200 horsepower. Engine, transmission, and performance. Even though the Civic was redesigned for 2022, the powertrain options carry over from the previous generation car. Base models come standard with a 1.58 HP 2.0-liter four-cylinder, while the upgrade engine continues to be a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder that now makes 180 horsepower. The new Civic is offered solely as a front-wheel drive car. Sadly, the manual transmission offered on the previous generation Civic sedan was cut for 2022, so a CVT is the sole offering. A 6-speed manual is still available on the hatchback model, though, at our test track, our turbocharged touring sedan needed 7.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, which is slightly slower than the last generation Civic's result. The manual sport touring hatchback we tested did slightly better at 7.3 seconds to 60 miles per hour. Luckily, the nimble handling, communicative steering, and well-balanced ride we appreciated so much in the last generation model are present and accounted for here. Sporty C and Seriously Sport high-performance Type R variants are again part of the family and are reviewed separately. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. According to the EPA, the most fuel-efficient version of the new Civic is the mid-range EX, which earns ratings of 33 mpg city, 42 mpg highway, and 36 mpg combined. Fuel economy estimates for the hybrid model are not yet available. On our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, the 2020 Civic Sport hatchback delivered 36 mpg. Interior, comfort, and cargo. A streamlined interior design sports clean lines and a dashboard, featuring a full-width honeycomb pattern mesh design element that cleverly hides the air vents. A wide center console appears less cluttered than the outgoing models and features a large, deep bin ahead of the shift lever for stashing smartphones, keys, and road trip snacks. Honda says passenger space is roughly the same, and the cargo bay is more generous. Infotainment and connectivity. The Civic comes standard with a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display, but a larger 9.0-inch unit is optional, as is a 10.2-inch digital gauge display. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are both standard and offer wireless connectivity when paired with the larger screen. Other options include in-dash navigation, a Bose stereo system, and a wireless smartphone charging pad. Now let's talk about pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2024 Honda Civic starts at $25,045 and goes up to $32,545 depending on the trim and options. The base trim level is called LX, but high-end models such as the XL and Touring offer more features. Our recommendation is the well-equipped EX sedan, which comes with many additional features that easily justify the price increase. Those niceties include blind spot monitoring, a power sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated exterior mirrors, and heated front seats. It also comes standard with the more powerful 180 HP turbocharged four-cylinder engine. If you're buying the hatchback, we direct you to the XL, which offers similar equipment and adds leather upholstery. In conclusion, the 2024 Honda Civic is more than just a car. It's a statement. With its striking design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, it sets a new standard in the automotive world. Whether you're a daily commuter or an adventure seeker, the Civic has something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this in-depth review of the 2024 Honda Civic. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments what you think of the new Civic. Until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more exciting reviews on For Wheels Empire.